The Tamil Nadu government has released a white paper on the state's finances, alleging that the previous DMK administration left behind a debt burden of nearly 10 lakh crore rupees, unveiling the report on June 16th. Finance Minister Mari Wilson said outstanding liabilities rose from 5.13 lakh crore rupees on April 1st, 2021 to around 10 lakh crore rupees by March 31st, 2026, recording a compound annual growth rate of 14.3%, which exceeded nominal GSDP growth in most years. The report further stated that the state's true debt burden rises to 13.18 lakh crore rupees when borrowings by public sector undertakings are included. The white paper highlighted 6 key concerns. Outstanding debt has nearly doubled in 5 years. Interest payments are crowding out investment. The revenue deficit has become structural. The state's own tax effort has weakened. Committed expenditure has reduced development spending, and contingent liabilities have significantly increased the actual debt burden. The government said the report is intended as an analytical assessment of fiscal realities rather than an exercise in assigning blame. According to the report, Tamil Nadu's per capita liability has risen to 1,28,934 rupees, higher than that of Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. It also noted that while these states reduced their debt to GSDP ratios during the recovery period, Tamil Nadu did not. Revenue receipts reportedly declined from around 10% of GSDP in the year 2021 to 22 to 8.3% in 2025 to 26, while the state's own tax revenue ratio fell from 5.93% to 5.45%, the lowest level in the state's recent history. The white paper attributed the decline in revenue performance to leakages, systematic corruption and poor management in revenue collecting departments, rather than to structural economic disadvantages or a lack of financial resources. So viewers, do you think a white paper like this helps improve transparency in government finances? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.